Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today is basically a follow-up to yesterday's video. But I'm telling you about a very tricky situation where one of your favorite 87 an artist find themselves winner. But when you hear about the people them shot, who them people are? I'm going to talk about them today. They do them, then call one muscle man, then call one FordLawd. Now, muscle man is a contract 87, and FordLawd, well, he might have multiple titles. One of them is actually quote-unquote artist, and they're going to play part-time music video. Yes, you even have music video, song, right here on YouTube. We're going to check out FordLawd's quote-unquote art. So in case of the first, you listen to a video about this matter. The J-Man and Fred them page Muscle Man, FordLawd them, because earlier the Teletubby almost lose his life. So when Teletubby almost lose his life, the first thought was that a Muscle Man them set him up because they know which part Teletubby is staying. So when Teletubby almost lose his life, Muscle Man them was on the top of the suspicion list, right? And most of them do it or them provide information to the man them who carry it out. Right? That is why they go target Muscle Man them. Right? Them link with the man them, right? Almost kill the Teletubby. So them set off to Lauderhill, carry out the man. Now the police them actually have video of the interaction between Muscle Man them and J-Man them. Based on me and see so, right, and this is from the police documents, court documents. When them pull up, one of the man them actually step to the car, that gun in them on. Because they know the guy ready. People have said, oh, which the other man is a draw down on the spot for. But then J-Man come out of the car and introduce himself to the man with the gun, and the youth relax the gun. Because a J-Man, remember I tell you say them know each other. That right there, so tell me say, I don't know for a fact, but that right there tell me say that youth did not take part in the early attack on the Teletubby. And maybe didn't even know about it. Because if he did, the moment him see J-Man pull up in a mask, he would not lower him gun when J-Man introduced himself. It is not uncommon for youth walk around in a ski mask and balaclava, right? It's just, they almost turn uniform now. So, they may see each other, mask up and all kind of things all the time. So, J-Man come out of the car, and me man, so a J-Man man, and the youth rest back the gun. Right? So, him say, oh, are you J-Man? By the time he do this, the rest of the car jump out, be a gunshot start fire. Be a wild shot. People are shoot back and forth, including J-Man. As me say, if they have the slightest clue, the J-Man them come to kill them, or J-Man them have reason to pre them, then when time them pull up in the car, the man them just wet them up because you them stand up there with gun pan them, right? So them have gun too. But they were not expecting an attack. So as me say, in my opinion, I don't know because obviously I can't tell them, because it defies logic that you'd play a role in trying to kill the Teletubby, and then you see the Teletubby boys them pull up, jump out the car, right, with mask, and then you're going to say, oh, are you? And rest back your gun. That doesn't make no sense to me. But who knows, right? And based on what I read that, so it sounds like it's possible, very possible, that J-Man was also hit by friendly fire. Because the man fire chip block, right, full auto, close proximity. It sounds like say some kind of friendly fire going, but we're going to see if Uncle Sam do ballistics, and then he come back and match up who fire what. So Muscle Man is an Iron Man, but he left the country, reach Florida, and like many people 87 them, carry on the foolishness. They tell you say you carry your culture anywhere you go. So much so, that's me going to show you a video right now. I'm going to show you a video of Muscle Man in Florida, right, a fire a rifle in the ear, right? I don't know what the clothes them doing. This is not the streets of Mobile. This is not the streets of Kingston. This is Muscle Man doing this in Florida, in our Uncle Sam place. Check out this brief clip. Now, as you can see this, a wild man team. If I have peer shot in the air, them shot they must come back down somewhere. Who knows where them shot they land? I'm talking about rifle shot. So who knows if somebody on the streets of Florida pick up a round that day. And from what I see so, it sounds like if most of man never did, he would have probably been indicted at some point because them actually mentioned him being a contract 87. Now, as you can see on the screen right there, so muscle man is clearly very, very malnourished. This is what happens when you don't eat for days and you are forced to shoot man and war man to make ends meet. You know, if only he did have some money. If only he did even have those $5 where he could have buy one cheeseburger or something and put some food in their belly. Now ignore the massive gold chain and the jewelry. Ignore all of that. That right there so is just a Photoshop. Somebody Photoshop that on muscle man. So them want to make it look like say things are going for the dog. But rest assured, poverty and separation is what caused muscle man to do what him do. The next youth did, FordLawd, well, as I said, he have enough titles, but one of them is quote unquote artist. I'm going to play some clips from a music video. We can all take in the art. You know. I'm going to play some clip from one of the music videos. Them. Check this out. So, as you can see, same old. At this point, it's become standard. Right? Man oppose too much gun, too much rifle, screw facing, and you know. In my opinion, this is cornier than Kellogg's. Right? It's kind of played out. But I am jealous of all entertainers, all artists, including FordLawd, right? Who clearly I wish I could be. Right? So, you have to take what I say with a grain of salt. But think about this for a second. FordLawd technically was an artist. He might have sang. If him did end up blow up and him carry the take off and he became a household name, right? And then he said something happened to him, what would be the narrative? What would be the argument, especially if he go Iron Man and then pick up a gun charge or something like whether you say a fight against. Whether you said you live a Florida and just travel down and then enjoy himself and look at him and fight against the youth cause you know, I always find it confusing when people can't identify energy, negative energy, positive energy. Even in a music video, they can watch it and be like, this right here so is real negative energy. You have man who pretend right, to be involved in a badness. You know? You have man where them screw them face but it don't look authentic. When you watch this music video, you can tell this is real life. The energy is different. They can see it. They can almost feel it. It's very sinister. It's almost like there's a cloud hanging over, right, with the word acidity written on it. I mean, maybe it's an experience thing. I just know to spot certain things after a while. So FordLawd did before him career take off. But if FordLawd had become a big artist and get thousands upon thousands of fans, it would be a different story. So FordLawd did before he could become a much bigger artist. But if he had become a bigger artist and something happened, then the USA left him alone. Stop calling the man name. If police lock him up, the USA free FordLawd. Because that's where the culture is. Once you get any kind of popularity, especially in the music, suddenly the same people them who tell us I'm tired of crime, I tell us free that man. Even people who dress up in their clean clothes every day have quote unquote big job and big title. Some of them are very acidic too. Right. Them tell us yo, stop call bad man name, stop fight against him, stop leave him alone. We are calling man name for your informer. He said, don't call the man name informer. Then somebody with them like get gunned down and hear them say, yo, we need to come together and give the police information because we need justice. What do you mean justice? But I thought we don't like informer. We don't like informer, we don't like police until somebody we know dead. Then all of a sudden, the man say, yo, hurry up and get some justice. Hurry up and get the intel so police can lock him up and give him 500 years. It's all so confusing. I don't even know where to begin. This culture has been going on for far too long. Whether yard or abroad, it have to change. When you see now say, right, that's regardless of what the man in there, they might act the same. Foreign not change them. Money not change them. They might go fight and war and kill off each other. And if you get close to them, you might pick up a stray round. On this occasion, no random innocent civilians were caught in the middle of it. But what happened next time? So, I could see how this play out. Anyway, Veteran Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, I don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.